Okay, so just quickly showing you all post ride. Boots look a bit dirty, and my duffel bag with all the things inside, very good and very sturdy. Leather gloves helped me a lot. Good I didn't take the trails because it was chilly here. This backpack does wonders. Waterproof, roll top, really cool. Levi's 5 and 2s with level 2 inserts near the knee area. Inserts don't come with the pants, you have to buy it separately. I sourced it from my friend. Nervik jacket, amazing. Seriously held really well so far, and I'm going to use it in future for sure. In fact, this jacket is going to make me ride more. Liner, I've kept it out because I'm wearing it right now. It's still chilly here. Helmet, dual sport. A lot of people telling me to review this helmet. I really enjoyed it. Comment down if you want the review coming. Well, in a nutshell, this is what I carried during this ride. Yep, that's the amount of wind, and my hands are already cold. Saying bye to this awesome place. Checking out from here. Checking into a new place. I feel so fresh today. Like today is a chill day. We're not gonna ride much. I think around 40-60 kilometers, and we'll still go to the waterfalls and everything. You'll see that. Helmet slinging on my backpack. Let's see how's the next hotel which we are shacking up today. We're not gonna be in the hotel much, so we're not looking for a very fancy place. Plenty of options. Because of COVID, things were cheaper, but this guy increased the rate. Okay, so at Hotel Badrish we have swapped, just 2 minutes away from our current hotel. Have you ever seen Himalayan so well tilted? Very steep. And yes, I reversed it like this, held it on my waist, and then in trail runners, important for such slopes. Look at this, riding all this is like fun. This is a hotel. Okay, so a bit cheaper price, but not bad. Bathroom's decent, hot shower. 2 beds for these guys, 1 bed for me. This is awesome. Sharing is caring. And the view is similar except for this pole. Well, this is only for a night, so we didn't care much to select. We don't want to waste time in shifting because we have to go towards the waterfalls. The weather is nice, a bit warm in this room, so it's good actually. That's what we want because there's no AC, there's no heater. And by the way, how do you guys like my mask design? If you like it, link in the description. And many more products coming your way. The Instagram handle is littlet2020. Not much of pictures because I've just started that. So if you like it, go and buy it, just $100. So today I'm not riding, but I'm definitely driving. I have the diesel power with me. The hairpin bends are amazing here. If you are on a sports bike, you're gonna love this. And yes, roads are not that bad, especially this part, going to Kempty waterfalls. And road trip still continues. We extended a day and enjoying every moment, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog too. Took a nice break. I thought it's sunny, it'll be warm, but it's freezing here. The wind is nice. Who's that? Who's the big bear here? You want to see how obedient this dog is? Shake hand. Good boy, good boy. Okay, after a bit of climb, we have reached Kempty. And Akshay is picking Akansha's bag. Akansha, why aren't you picking your bag? In yesterday's vlog you said...
Because I told you guys to keep in the car, then you said we needed cash, so take my bag. But I have the cash.
Excuses. कैसे दिया भैया कौन? छोटा 40 का बड़ा। और ये ऐसे एक बुट्टा? छोटा 40 का बड़ा। Okay, so one trip advice: if you're coming to Kempty waterfalls, come to the smaller waterfall, which they say it's not commercial. Audio will be very bad. So finally found a spot where there is nobody. Right here is paradise. So yeah, gonna chill here for a while, have some hot tea. And while chilling here, Akshay got some awesome garam chai because it's freezing. With that said, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a continuation vlog. Last night I didn't vlog because I went to Mall Road. We were really chilling a lot till late night, and that's why I have puffy eyes. And first thing, we'll have coffee. We were supposed to leave at 6 in the morning. It's 9:30. This is what happens, but it's okay. Delhi is 7-hour ride from here, so we'll manage somehow. First I need a nice cup of coffee. I've just had 2 oranges. Let's continue the vlog. Crossed around 50 kilometers, still in the hills. Thought would have some dumplings, carrying some dumplings. This is actually the breakfast. Time. So sanitization process before eating food. Pump some water and wash your hands. So today's awesome lunch looks good. So Delhi is 60 kilometers from here now, and we took a completely wrong route, but I enjoyed because there was a lot of off-roading. We crossed Haryana, then we crossed some part of UP. Now we're on the Delhi highway, which we should have taken. We would have saved at least 1.5 hours. Anyways, 4:15, 60 kilometers left. It's gonna be a lot of noise. Let's go talk at a tea break. So this place is called Murthal, where I'm having chai and some aloo tikki, very famous here. 1 hour from Delhi, where we are heading now. So it's gonna get dark. I thought I'll end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for plenty more vlogs.